everyone, it's Phoebe, and today we're going to be opening up some squishies from Banggood.com, and I'm also going to be opening my Tsum subscription box. So let's start off with the box. I'm excited to see what they did this month. Last month we got a very cool, exclusive, like super exclusive with, I don't know, some cool stuff. It was Little Mermaid theme. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. Put that to the side. Feels a little bulkier than before. Purple paper. Okay, I wonder if we're gonna get someone Marvel themed. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be 2 minis. Okay, it does say Tsum. I think it would say Marvel if it was going to be Marvel. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, what? No way. No way. I didn't even recognize them at first, but now, oh my gosh, it makes so much sense. Emperor's New Groove, Kuzco, Kronk, and Yzma. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I like how Kronk is like kind of bigger than both of the other ones. Anyway, okay, I'll show you one by one. Here's Kuzco. Oh gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm like really, really blown away by this. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. But there's Kronk. This part's kind of like, how would I describe it? It's kind of like the material they use on their normal plushies. And then this is just like the really soft Tsum. Kind of like wrinkled, ruffled up. And here's Kronk. Oh, that's so cool. And here is Yzma. She's so sweet looking. She's got, this is like a dress. Wow. Okay, wow, that was super awesome. So, I guess for the month of July, it was Emperor's New Groove. Okay, next up are 2 squishies I ordered from eBay. The first one is this mock replica, fake, whatever you want to call it, of the Punimaru dipped strawberry. Let's give it a squish. It's very squishy. Not too bad. Obviously a lot less expensive than a regular one. I think it was like $4 or $5, and a normal one would be $20, so not too bad. Oh, I'm gonna smell it. It has actually a little bit of a candy scent. Not bad. And then the next thing is also a replica. And this is also a $20 squishy, and this penguin was like $3 or $4. Okay, not very squishy, but I have to say, this looks like exactly like the original. Wow. I don't have one of the originals because they're kind of expensive, but this one's really cute. Now, I will say, Creamy Candy has been posting a lot about these fake squishies and how it's a problem and how their ideas are being stolen, and they're just really upset about it. And the reason that they're really upset is these are not tested in the same way that regular squishies are tested for toxins. So regular squishies, obviously you're not supposed to eat them or anything, but like if your little sister, brother, you know, or someone who's really little, like, was licking it or something, it wouldn't be that big a deal because they'd be able to call the company and find out, like, what to do. But these are not tested, so that can be, you know, that can be kind of scary. So I think that's something people should keep in mind if they're gonna go with the really cheap fake option. Opening this off camera because I don't want you guys to see my address. Okay, so this is the Vlampo Happy Rabbit Burger. Oh, from Banggood. Sorry, I didn't mention that this next package is from Banggood. That's really cute. It's super light and really, really smooth and soft. And it's pretty squishy. Nice. So there's that, and it does come with the packaging. The packaging's pretty cute too. The next thing I got is also a legit squishy. It is the Vlampo Heart Cat. I have been eyeing this for a really, really long time on Silly Squishy's website and Jenna Lynn's website. And when I saw it on Banggood, it was on sale. So it's like, I guess it's meant to be. Wow, this one's really squishy. Look at that. Still going. Still going. Okay, how do I open this? From here? I like this packaging too. It's super cute. Love the colors. Just like the cat burger, this is really, really smooth and soft and light. And this one's a lot squishier. This squishy is like super, super cute. I love the little character. Next up is the Eric Polka Bean. I got the green one. These remind me of Sumiko Garashi. I don't know if that's what they're going for, but that's really what it reminded me of. And the other one I really wanted was the blue one, but I decided I only need one. So here it is. You just open that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then there it is, right inside. It does not have a smell. It smells like chemicals really, really bad. It's pretty squishy though. It's very soft and light, just like the other squishies today. I just love it. I love how it just sits in there and waits. Also, I don't think I smelled this. Oh my gosh, it smells like Fruit Loops. Definitely smells like Fruit Loops. That's funny. Okay, the last thing we got today is a replica Mafia kitty. Now, I do have the real one of this, and I love it. It's an amazing squishy. So I was actually a little bit excited when I saw they had fakes. The mold is definitely the same. It's fairly squishy. But definitely more fast rising than the actual one. But it's cute. Okay guys, well that is it for this video. I really enjoyed all of these squishies, honestly. I think I would recommend them or suggest them to anybody who's ordering from Banggood or eBay. And the Tsum Tsums are just awesome. I didn't even expect that. They've never made Tsum Tsums for Emperor's New Groove before, so that was very special. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!